Welcome everybody. How's you guys doing today? So today I'm gonna show you guys how to do a 50-inch diameter. I'm gonna put the class 2020 inside diameter. Okay. Now let's go to our Mastercam together and build that now. Okay. Okay. Go ahead and click main menu. Okay. Go ahead and click F9. Let's go to create and click on arc. And then we're gonna use the right here focal point diameter, and we're gonna put it 50-inch diameter. Okay. Go ahead and click enter. Then you come over here and put an origin. Okay. Click on origin. Click Alt F1. Okay. And then click escape. Okay. Now we're gonna go to focal point diameter again. This time we're gonna put 27 inches. Okay. And click enter. And you come back to the top right here, and you're gonna click on origin. Okay. Right there, and click escape. Let's go one more. We're gonna go focal point diameter. We're gonna put 14 inches. And click enter. Then click on origin. Okay, let's run right there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're ready with the letter. Let's go to create letter. Click on create, go to next menu, and click on letters. And then on the right side right here, say true type, go and click on that. We're gonna try to find the Engrave font, okay? Let's scroll down a little bit until you find Engrave. Take a little bit of time. We get there, right here. Right there, click on that. And go and click OK. And then this letter right here, I'm gonna put class 2020, okay? CLASS, space 2020. Okay, and this right here in alignment, I'm going to click on the bottom of the arc. Okay, we're going to put the height, 10-inch height. And arc radius, I'm going to put 14. And spacing, I'm going to put 2 inches. Okay, then I'm going to click OK. Okay, now we're going to come back over here. We're going to click on the center, and then we're going to click right here on this arc right here. Okay, okay. We got class 2020. Okay, now let's go to toolpad, and then we're gonna engrave our letter, right? So before that, we're gonna go to toolpad and click on pocket. We're gonna make a pocket first. On this small circle right here, we're gonna put in pocket. Okay, go ahead and click change, and we'll click on right here inside this pocket right here, and you're gonna click done. Okay, these are tool library. Go ahead and right click on that. Get a tool from our library. Now scroll down to 235, which is the tool number, and you're gonna click on a 1/4-inch tool, flat inch end mill. Okay, it's right here, 235. Gonna click OK. We have a feed rate, plunge rate, retracted rate. Okay, we have right here 1/4-inch flat end mill. So feed rate, we're gonna go 7.0. Then the plunge rate, we're gonna go 3.0. And retract the rate, we're gonna put 3.0. Okay. And then on the spindle speed right here, we're gonna put 2000. Then this comment right here, we're gonna put rough pocket. Rough pocket. Okay. And then we're gonna go over here on the top, pocket parameter. You're gonna check on clearing, which is 2.0 here. And on top of stock, I like to put 0.75, which I always like to run 3/4-inch material. And then on the depth, go ahead and put a negative 0.5, which you're gonna go 1/2 inch deep, okay? Negative 0.5. And then right here, tip compensation right here, I'm gonna put center. And then the sharp right here, I'm gonna put none. Okay. Now we're just gonna go over here on the top, roughing finish parameter. We're gonna go over here to troop spiral, click on that. And we're gonna make a check mark right here on spin a spiral inside to outside. And then on computers, we're gonna click on where. You're gonna click OK. That's how it looks. Now we're gonna come back over here to contour. And then we're gonna engrave this letter right here, okay? Go and click on this letter, but then highlight it, go and click on there, okay. Just be careful when you highlight and click on it, you don't want to miss anything, okay. Okay. Okay, that's all done. Go ahead and click done right here and go back to our tool library again and right click, get the tool library. This time we're gonna try to find the 1/8 flat end mill, okay? I think it's like 240 something. Quarter inch, not a quarter inch, 1/8, okay? 1/8 is 232, actually, right here, 232 flat end mill. Go ahead and click on that. Say right here, tool number 2, 1/8 flat. We're gonna change the fit rate, the plunge rate, retractor rate also. Go ahead and put 6.0. Plunge rate, we're gonna put 4.0. And retractor, we're gonna put 4.0. Okay. Then the spindle speed right here, we're gonna put 4,000. Okay. And then on this right here, in the common right here, we're gonna put first. Okay. First tool. Okay. And then we're gonna click on contour parameter right here. Make sure everything is checked, okay, except the depth right here. So we're gonna put a negative, put a negative 0.25, okay? Negative 0.25. We only engrave a little bit. We don't want too deep, okay? We don't want to break our tool. And that's, if you go too deep, it doesn't look good anyway, okay? Now click on right here, composition type, we're gonna put weird. Okay, on the tip right here, we're gonna put center, okay? And then we're gonna click over right here, okay? That's how it looks. Now we're gonna go back to contour again, and we're gonna click click change right here, and then we're gonna highlight right here in the center here. Okay, and then click done. We're gonna get our 235 tool, which is a half-inch flat end mill. Okay, let's go over and get it. Gonna scroll down always to 239. Right here, half-inch flat end mill. Click OK. Got tool number 3 right here, half-inch flat. And the feed rate we're gonna put to 9.0. The plunge rate we're gonna put 7.0. And retractor we're gonna put 7.0. And the spindle speed we're gonna put 2,000. Because we have to do one pass here. So right here we're gonna put finish pass, okay. Finish pass. And then you're gonna click OK. But before that, we're gonna click contour. Okay, right here. We're gonna put negative 0.75. We're gonna cut all the way through, of course. Okay, and then we're gonna click OK. That's what it looked like. And let's go to operation. And we're gonna select all, and we're gonna verify. Okay. We're gonna click right here, start button. That's how it looks, guys. The thing is, this is really nice. Project to test it out in some places. And if you like, the big one, you can do the big one, small one, whatever. It's up to you guys. And what I like about this Engrave Letter is that you can do most of anything. Other than that, guys, if you like this video, leave me subscribe, or like, and share, and have anything in comment, leave it below. And other than that, and thank you. You have a wonderful night. See you next time. Bye-bye.